We are here to do one more video before we go today. So number 2 says the profit from selling local ballet tickets depends on the ticket price. Draw a picture of what you think the trajectory of that would look. I'll fix those before I give you the worksheet. So let's see. Well, I think if I maybe gave the ballet tickets away for free, my price was $0, I would probably not have any profit. I would probably be maybe negative even profit if my price was $0, I would guess. And then as I increase my price, my profit would go up. But then eventually, because of the people, if my price was too high, nobody would start coming. I think less people would start coming, and then it would continue down something like this. So it says using past receipts for part B, we find that the profit can be modeled using this function. So let's go ahead and do second plus 712. We're all cleared out here, and let's put this equation in. Well, we have P is profit, and X being the price of each ticket. So negative 15x squared plus 600x plus 60. I already know that this trailing 60 is going to be my y-intercept. So when I hit graph, I'm probably not going to see much, is my guess. So let's adjust our window here. This is going to be the hardest part of these problems, is trying to figure out a window that works. Well, we're not going to talk about a negative price because I'm probably not going to pay people to come. So let's just go to 0. A ballet ticket, I don't know. Let's try $250 and then minimum money. I guess I could lose money, so maybe we could start at negative 50 and then how much money I make, I don't know. Let's try 500 and just take a look at what we're at now. These you just have to guess and play with. You just have to think about, well, we still don't have what I want to see. So let's go back to our window and let's try to change our maximum money to 1,000. Let's hit graph. Still not looking at it like what I want to see. So I'm going to make sure that my graph equation's all in correctly, and I'm going to change my window and say, I guess I'm going to make more like $10,000. Let's look. Oh, we can probably get rid of some of this detail here. That's my x-axis. It looks like I'm not going to sell that many tickets. So I'm not going to sell 250, maybe only 150. Let's look at the graph there. Not even, it looks like probably closer to 75. Let's look. There we go. Now we've revised things. I'm going to find my y-intercept first. I'm a little bit interested in that. So I'm going to hit trace 0. Oh, 0.60. Excuse me. So 0.60. And then I go back down like so. Okay, let's see what they want to know about this question. Find the ticket price that gives the maximum profit. Oh, maximum profit. Which key concept? Well, that's going to be our vertex. So to calculate our vertex, because we have a concave facing down, this is going to be right here, the maximum. I'm just going to go through the process. So second, calculate. Number 4, got to move towards I'm kind of looking down here to see where my cursor is. There we go. So I'm at my vertex here, somewhere right here. So it's asking me for my left bound, so I go 1, 2 places to the left, hit enter, move back over, and my right bound, 1, 2 places. Of course, you can go more than 2, arrow left and right if you want to be sure, and hit guess, enter. I got a maximum of, because it's only going to find, that's $20. or no, yeah, the $20 of my price of my ticket, I'll make $6,060. So final answer would be maximum profit would be $6,060. We wanted the ticket price. I wasn't reading carefully. Maximum profit is this. So that answer should be down here. That's how much my profit is. It asks us to find on part A the ticket price. So I wasn't reading carefully. Ticket price that gives the maximum profit. Well, the ticket price that gives the maximum profit is right here. So it is $20. So we'll just find a reasonable domain for this situation. What does the limits on our domain represent? Well, remember our domain is our X values. So our X values are the cost of the tickets. So how much we're charging for each of them. Well, if we look at our smallest X value was $0. And now to find the largest X value, we're going to want to find our 0. Kind of just writing a bunch of notes in here, and then we'll explain in words here later. Because I don't quite see, if I look at my graph, I can't really, I'm going to move my 0 up a little bit. So I'm going to go back to window, and I'm going to change my Y minimum to be like, I don't know, -200, and hit graph. I'm going to go even further because our maximum, so we'll do -500 and see if that helps at all move up and down, because sometimes it's hard to see that when we're doing our calculations. So number 2, our 0, yeah, let's even change it more. Let's make it -$2,000. That'll give us maybe more space here. So second, calculate. We're going to look for 0. So we need to move over to where the x-intercept is. And now left bound, remember we go 2 places to the left and press enter. And then for the right bound, we go 2 places to the right and press enter, and guess, enter. So our other 0 is 40.10, comma, and I'm glad that this came up because this number actually means scientific notation. -1e -9 means -1 times 10 to the -9, which is, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That value actually is really close to 0. So anytime you see that, that's kind of shorthand for scientific notation. So our domain actually goes from 0 until including 0 and also including 40.10. So what this actually means in context of the problem is that we can sell our tickets. So we can sell our tickets for 0 to $40.10, but these selling prices will give us a profit of $0 because they are the 2 zeros. Oh, no, it was actually not. Yeah, it was from 0. If it'll give us a profit of $0 on 40. Actually, maybe I should just back up here really quick, because the profit we make for our selling it for $0, because that was our first one, which was 0.60. It'll give us a profit of $60 if we sell them for $0 somehow to $0 if we sell them at 40. Typically, what you see is they say, sometimes they can say to you, like, it can be quite argumentative. You can say, well, I'm not going to give my tickets away for free because there's no way I can make a profit at 60. So you could probably argue that this is not including 0. This is kind of argument. I don't think if you sell your tickets for $0, you're going to make a profit of $60. That's probably a false statement right there. So it's probably not including that 0 value.